LGR3500i, Powerhouse Dehumidifier. Use this dehumidifier to dry out saturated building materials in rooms up to 17,000 cubic feet or to control humidity levels in spaces as large as 34,000 cubic feet. Its onboard humidistat and digital control panel make it easy to manage excess moisture in large areas and reduce the risk of mold, rust, or other damage. The unit's automatic pump-out and automatic restart after power outages ensure continuous operations and remove hassle and worry. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Groundbreaking water removal rate 170 pints at AHAM. Number 2. Automatic humidistat control. Number 3. Displays inlet and outlet temperature and RH for easy monitoring. Number 4. Digital control panel with plain English system messages, not codes. Number 5. Rugged dry ease rotomolded housing is easy to maintain and won't mar furnishings. Number 6. The amount of daily water removal varies depending on environmental conditions, temperature, relative humidity, water saturation of contents, structural materials, etc. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the lowest humidity that this can achieve? Answer. Energy-efficient unit pre-cools the air before it reaches the evaporator coil for faster condensation, resulting in drier air. Features a multi-function 4-language digital control panel, condensate pump, a built-in humidistat, and lifetime manufacturer's warranty on housing. For use in conditions of flooding and areas of excess moisture. Question number 2. What are the dimensions and can the hose drain out in a utility tub base? Answer. Yes, you can drain into a utility. It has a 40-foot drain cord. Its dimensions are 40.5 x 23 by 24 in. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.